are you?
Did you say noise?
No. How are you?
Did you say noise?
No.
I shouldn't need admin privileges.
Yeah, got it.
I feel like you're not actually listening to me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you say yes?
Yes.
I pick word.
So it trains yes. I am fine.
Did you say noise? No one picks.
How are you?
Did you say how are you?
Finally.
You pick word.
Now see, it made a mistake because I said finally. It should have been noise. So even though I have 25 affirmative, 52 negative, and noise 41, and accuracy says 98 point something, there's a difference between accuracy and confidence. So that it got it wrong.
You pick word.
And I forgot already. So we'll just cancel that. Oh, the AC just kicked on. This will be interesting. How are you?
Did you say how are you? No one picks. No one picks.
No. You can't have that.
Yes.
I pick word.
Okay. Yes.
Did you say yes? No
Yeah.
one picks.
Man, the AC really gets it.
You pick word.
Now see, that should have been noise.
No one picks.
And it makes me forget. Yes.
Did you say yes? No
Yeah.
one picks.
Yes.
I pick word.
Okay. I want to get to the point where I don't have to tell it yes or no. I mean, I don't want to have to click the buttons. I'm sorry. I'm going to say something. It's going to guess right or wrong. If it's right or wrong, I'll say yes or no. And I want to get to the point where I just say yes or no. And when I'm just talking and not saying anything that's not yes and no, it knows it's other. I want it to know when it's yes, when it's no, when it's just noise, and not have to click the buttons anymore.
Quite a few times.
50 times?
More.
100 times?
More.
200 times?
More.
500 times?
Probably.
Why try to make these accurate? Imagine if these buttons or labels could actually do something. So let's say that one of them says dial 911 and the other one just says turn off the lights, right? And so I say turn off the lights and it picks up, did you say dial 911? So far, not a problem. And I say no, and it understands yes. The next thing that happens is it dials 911.
What did I just tell you?
So again, accuracy, percent accuracy right now, by the way, is 100%, right? I clear everything out. It only knows this is a test for the phrases. And there's, what does that say? 8 samples of yes, none of no, and none of noise. So it's very unbalanced. So accuracy means it got all of the history correct. That is not the same as confidence, because confidence is it going to get the one I'm going to say now correct? All right. So I'm going to say, how are you? It's going to probably guess this is a test. And I'm going to say no. Let's see what happens. How are you?
Did you say this is a test?
No.
I pick word.
See? It thinks I said yes. This area down here was added from the previous video as a diagnostic tool so that we can learn how it's doing. But now the next thing is to go into the code using AI tools, of course, and add in safeguards so we no longer have to push these buttons.